welcome to my new channel Sky Marks. Today I'm Priyanshu Anand, your host, a special update and straight for one event that I have attended at ICAR IARI campus in New Delhi, where the Division of Vegetable and Science, in collaboration with Zonal Technology Management and Business Planning and Development Unit, has hosted Cucumber Field Day. So, I'll talk about it. Are you curious about the latest advancement in cucumber breeding? Wanted to see the live demonstration and meet the expert shaping the future of vegetable science in India? Stay tuned with me. So let's talk about Cucumber Field Day. First, coming to the introduction. But before than that, let's take and talk about the background history of this institute, that is ICAR IARI, Indian Institute of Agriculture Research, is basically known as Pusa Institute and is being established 905. It's being the premier institution for agriculture research and education in India. And what's its mandate and objective? Its mandate includes conducting basic and strategic research, developing new technologies, and providing human resources in the field of agriculture. And what's basically its achievement till date? IARI has contributed immensely in green revolution and developing high yield varieties of crops, sustainable agriculture practices, and research outputs, enhance agriculture productivity and food security in India. And let's talk about what happened, an overview of the event. This event was hosted on 21st of April 2025 from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. at New Delhi. And what basically this program showcases? It showcases the latest cucumber breeding and cultivation techniques. And what are their key audience? Researchers, entrepreneurs, farmers, private sector stakeholders that are interested in vegetable science and are invited to encourage and participate in a green learning experience. And what is the objective of this event? Primary goal is to exchange knowledge, collaboration, and exploration of commercialization opportunity in cucumber industry. Going forward, what is the cucumber breeding program at IARI? So, what's basically the program highlight? It focuses basically on developing high yield variety, disease resistance variety for cucumber lines, and high suitable for open field and for the protective cultivation area, and basically addresses for growing condition also, adverse growing conditions. And it basically promised showcasing high potential cucumber lines, hybrid high yield, highlighting the unique characteristic and adaptability for the harsh condition for the different cultivation environment, like as global warming is increasing, temperature is getting higher, so how to adapt to this condition? So they have developed such varieties. Breeding innovations, IARI applied advanced breeding technique for improving cucumber traits yield resilience. Continuous innovation drive the development of superior cucumber variety. So what is basically the main objective behind this breeding program? There are three main pillars, which is basically increasing high yield, disease resistance variety, and adaptability. Adaptability to the climatic condition which is being present right now. Disease resistance, as disease, there are various disease basically hamper the farmer in agriculture of these crop, and talking about the enhanced yield to increase the productivity for, and how to, through genetic improvements. Going forward, live demonstration and field visits. So we'll talk about what basically they have showcased in the field visit and demonstration. On-site evaluation was there. All the attendees have observed the live demonstration. that showcase the performance of IARI developed cucumber variety in real world condition. They showcase in different fields in New Delhi only. There were three fields which they have visited: MB 13 by 6, M 13 by 6, and MB 13 by 8. These were the field numbers areas in New Delhi campus. Within the campus, we have showcased with these and providing a conducive environment for practical learning also. There were farmers, there were NGO people, everybody was there gathered and learned the real life practical experience, and the practical insight was there to learn, to gain the crucial knowledge about the farming techniques. Now, the field demonstration, it showcases the three things: hybrid performance variety, disease resistant variety, and protective cultivation. So we have examined the growth, yield, and the quality of promise of cucumber hybrid varieties, access the resistance of different cucumber lines for the common disease under field condition, providing insight into disease management and resistance breeding and protective cultivation. Observe the cucumber cultivation with protective environment like greenhouse to optimize yield and quality, and learn applicable method to enhance the plant protection. Going forward, expert interaction and questionnaire session was also being there. So there were question answer session was there, problem solving and expert insight was also being there. Everybody gathered there. There were opinions that has been shared with the expert by the farmers, by the NGO people, the other stakeholders, the company people, private sector people, scientists was there. They shared their own experience and their challenges. The farmers also share their challenges, the difficulties they still hold and face. So it was a good interaction where everybody, you know, have provided some or the other insights and received expert recommendation for improving the cucumber cultivation practices. Going forward, now, what is basically the main agenda behind it? Networking and collaboration, building connection, building connection with the industry professional, collaboration and knowledge exchange. This was a main key agenda of this field visit. So, how different professional people can come at this place and interact, they can collaborate and they can exchange their knowledge. This was the main, you know, main theme to make everybody come at this platform. And second most important thing is commercialization opportunities. Different stakeholder engagement was there. What is basically the market trend, as private sector people knows, private company people knows what is the market trends and how to develop the seeds, come up with better technologies, better advancement, and promote better strategic alignment practices for the greater market impact. It was basically being there, and partnershiping models. They discussed their partnershiping model, investing opportunities with industries representative, and securing opportunities for product commercialization was also being there. Now, what is basically the future of vegetable science? Innovation, collaborative research, and sustainable agriculture. So, future direction of vegetable breeding and cultivation, sharing new development and practices that lead to innovation. This was the main future stake of this science. Collaborate, promoting collaboration research initiatives, identifying the future areas for joint research in vegetable science and sustainable agriculture. Obviously, they'll talk about the sustainable agriculture practices, as we are seeing the climate change has affected each field. So, how we can come up with sustainable agriculture practices, stop using pesticides, minimum use of chemicals, so to make our farming and develop eco-friendly practices with good and high quality and developed variety of crop yield. So this is some glimpse of that program where all the participants, scientists, the head, even me, I'm also being there. Different farmers was there. They shared their experience, their thoughts. All different scientists and other stakeholders, private sector people will also be there. So it's just a game to showcase you. Now, if you wanted to come and wanted to know the information more, to get to know about this breeding technique and vegetable science, if you're being very much interested, you can directly contact with these scientists. First one is Dr. B.S. Tomar sir is there, Dr. S.S. Dubey is also there, and Dr. Akriti Sharma is there. So they were the organizing committee people, so you can directly contact. There is one email ID, so you can if you wanted to know much more, you wanted to inquire, you can see this information and can note down. And thank you for your time and your patience. And this was my first video. I hope I have provided some information that can be fruitful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And after that, I will be sharing you little glimpse of those varieties that they have showcased and demonstrated to all the participants. For that, stay tuned. That thank you so much for your time.
See, this is Pusa Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. So, if you see that on my left hand side, whole variety, different varieties are being there. They have grown different, vegetables and other things. So, you can see and this is the campus. So this is the vegetable area. You can see lots of vegetables are basically being growing.